Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Metamask wallet extension on your Chrome browser. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your Google Chrome browser or any other web browser that supports Chrome extensions. After opening it up, use the search box and type in Chrome Web Store and then begin your search. Now from the search results, click on the Chrome Web Store link and now just use the search box to type in and search for Metamask. Once you find the Metamask application, go ahead and tap on it and you will then see the Add to Chrome button. Tap on this option and then tap on Add Extension once again. And this will now begin the download and installation of the Metamask extension on your web browser. After the process is completed, you will get a notification and you will also be able to find it within your extensions tab at the top right. From here you can pin it to your extensions menu so that it will appear at all times. And you can now proceed with logging in or signing up to your Metamask account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Metamask wallet extension on your web browser. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.